Hi everyone, I'm Turker from AUDAC. In this video, we are going to look at how over-the-air or OTA firmware updates work on our latest products, such as Luna series, NWP series, Neo series, NPM200, and NCP105. For the Luna series and NPM200, well, the devices itself, they require internet access, and outbound port 443 must be open to allow communication with the server. Firmware updates are then initiated through AUDAC Touch, where you can select either the latest available firmware version or a previous version if required. For NCP105, NWP series, and Neo series, the process is slightly different. These devices do not require direct internet access. Instead, they obtain the firmware through AUDAC Touch. As long as you're running the latest AUDAC Touch version, you will have access to the latest available versions for those devices.